In neighborhoods, I see guys with roller skating shoes without proper training. Roller skating requires good balance and coordination. Without training, you may struggle to maintain stability, leading to falls and potential injuries. In skating, speed, stop, and turning safely are very crucial. So without training, you might find it difficult to navigate properly, thereby increasing the risk of accidents. Proper training emphasizes the importance of PPE, personal protective equipment, like helmets, like knee pads, and elbow pads. Please do not engage in roller skating without proper training. I just want to make a safety sense. If you are joining me for the first time, smash the like and hit the subscribe button. Thank you.